Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add index columns in Power BI. Now first I want you to select any table you want to add index columns for, and then I want you to come here, click on Home from the top menu. Okay, now here you'll see this option, Transform Data. Click on this, you'll get a drop down. Click here again on Transform Data. This will open up your Power Query Editor. Okay, now here I want you to come and click on Add Column, and you'll see this option right here that says Index Column. Click on this down arrow, and we have two different options, either from 0 or 1. If you want, you can set a custom one as well. I prefer to do it from 1, so just go ahead and click on this, and then just give it a few seconds. And as you can see, the index is added. Just wait for it to load up. As you can see, it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, going down, so on. Really that easy and simple.